Articles in English. We use a, an, the, or nothing. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a balloon, a cat, a dog, a frog, a guitar. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an egg, an orange, an idea, an umbrella. Now let's look at the. When the next word begins with a consonant sound, we pronounce it as the. For example, the cat, the house. When the next word begins with a vowel sound, we pronounce it as D. For example, the apple, the egg. A or an means something not specific. I see a cat. It could be any cat. The means something specific that we already know. I see a cat. The cat is in the garden. We know which cat. Sometimes we use no article at all. This is called the zero article. We use it for liquids, food, materials, and so on. I like rice. Let's do an exercise. Cat. A cat. The word cat starts with C. Octopus. An octopus. The word octopus starts with O. Bird. A bird. The word bird starts with B. Elephant. An elephant. The word elephant starts with E. See you in the next lesson. Please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe.